I think we should be okay. All right. So, how was school today?
It's um, I didn't go school today.
You didn't go to school today. Why not?
Summer vacation.
Ah, you're in summer vacation already. Okay, cool. Ah ha ha. Very nice. That's right. Cool. What'd you do today then?
Um, um, write homework and playing basketball.
So you did your homework and you played basketball.
Yes.
Very cool. Where did you play basketball?
School.
I see. Very cool. And did you play with a club or just with your friends? You just went to school and played with your friends?
Um, Club.
Say again?
Um, mm, like basketball club.
Ah, you have a basketball club and
Yes.
you played with them. Ah, very good. And all right, very cool. And right, so are you going to travel anywhere for your summer vacation?
Um, yes.
Wow, where are you going?
Um, mm, Australia.
You're going to go to Australia, really?
Yes.
Wow. What will you do in Australia?
Um, um, I don't know.
You don't know. I see. I see. I see. Well, that's okay. That sounds like a good time to me. Excellent. When will you go there?
Um, Next month.
Ah, I see. Do you know how long you'll be there?
Um, I don't know.
You don't know yet. Okay. That's all right though. Very cool. Sounds like a lot of fun. Have you been to Australia before?
No.
No. What countries have you gone to?
No.
What do you mean?
Um, I only stay in Taiwan.
Ah, you never went overseas. Overseas. I see. Very cool. Well, I think you'll have a good time. People from Australia are very nice, and maybe it's very different than than Taiwan, I think, but in a good way. So very cool. All right. Well, I have a couple things I want to do today. I want to give you some kind of challenge, a little quiz or so, and then we'll do some studying as well. So I want to see. It is, I think, maybe easy for you, but we'll try. Here's a matching quiz. Are you ready?
Yes.
This matching quiz, you have to match the opposites. So, for example, let me move this out of the way. For example, if I go to happy, I should match sad, like that. So, you just what you want. I want you to do is tell me a word on the right side here, the red words.
Okay.
Tell me which blue word to match it to. You can choose any of these. Okay.
Dirty to clean.
Dirty and clean. Very good.
And bad and good.
Bad and good. All right.
and easy and difficult.
Easy and difficult. Excellent.
Long and small.
Sorry about sneezing. Sorry, one more time.
Long and small. No. Short. No. Short.
Right here?
Yes.
Are you sure? Are you sure?
Yes.
Oh, you crack me up. Go ahead.
Dry and wet.
Dry and wet. Exactly right.
Thin and fat.
Thin and fat.
Dangerous and safe.
Okay.
Old and new.
Okay.
Large and small.
Large and small. Okay.
Poor and rich.
That's right. And the last two, what are the last two here? The one at the top. Can you say them? Can you say deep,
Deep,
shallow?
Shallow.
Do you know what deep and shallow means? What they mean?
No.
No. All right. Well, if you go, do you know when sometimes it rains and oops, hold on a second. Sometimes it rains and when it rains on the road, you'll see some water on the road, right?
Yes.
All right. If you step in that water, it's only this much, right? Maybe
Yes.
this much. Okay. But if you go to the ocean, it's so much water. So the one on the road is shallow, and the ocean.
I know.
Oh, you know.
Yes.
Okay, so you know what shallow and deep mean. Okay, good. All right, let's try this one.
Few and many.
Few and many. There it is. Okay.
Tall and short.
There you go.
Beautiful and ugly.
Oops. Sorry. Sorry.
Married and single.
Married and single. All right.
High and low.
High and low. Oops. Good picture. There you go.
Dark and light.
Dark and tight. Very good.
No.
Dark
Light.
and hot. Okay. Okay. Next one.
Outside and inside.
Outside and inside. That's easy, right?
Slow and fast.
Slow and fast.
Cold and hot.
Cold and hot.
Light and heavy.
Light and heavy. Very good.
Out and in.
Out and in.
Tight and loose.
Loose. Do you know what loose means?
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Are you single or married?
Single.
Are you inside or outside?
Inside.
Very good. All right, last one. So far, you have a perfect score.
Expensive and cheap.
Expensive and cheap.
Right and wrong.
Okay.
Left and right.
Okay. Good job. Left and right. Right and wrong.
Near and far.
Near and full.
No, far.
How do you spell far?
F-A-R.
Ah, I see. Okay.
Empty and full.
All right.
Young and old.
Young and old. Very nice. Very good.
Hard and soft.
Hard and soft.
There and here.
One more time.
There and here.
There and here. Okay. There you go. Yeah, there and here. Good job.
Cool and warm.
Cool and warm. Exactly correct. What's the next one? Distraction.
Thin and thick.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Nice. Very good. We have rough and narrow. Rough and narrow. Smooth and wide. Rough, narrow, smooth, wide. What do you think? That's okay if you don't know. If you get these two correct, you have a perfect score. You got 36 out of 36. This right here is wrong. This is my fault. What do you think?
This one's hard.
Very hard. Good. Take a guess. Take a guess.
Narrow and smooth.
Narrow and smooth. Are you sure?
Yes.
I'm sorry. No. Narrow and
no!
That's all right.
Oh,
That's
so
okay.
hard.
That's a hard one, right? It's all right. Don't worry. Look, smooth and rough, wide and narrow. So wide is, let me show you real quick. All right, so we have wide. So the Nile, the Nile River is very wide, very wide, very wide. Uh-huh. And small creek is very narrow. Okay. So wide and narrow, like this, wide and narrow, wide and narrow. Question, do you use this symbol here, or do you use this symbol? Same one. Same one. Hang on. All right, wide and narrow. So which one of these do you use? This one or this one? This one?
Yes. Yes.
Yes? Wow, you use traditional. Wow. Okay.
Yes.
Rough and smooth. Rough and smooth. England, maybe. Let me just make sure. Nope, 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 nope. Basically, 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 basically. Smooth is like.
Oh, I know.
There. All right, let me just do one thing. Let me draw. Okay. 1 second.
So smooth, like paper.
Smooth, yeah,
Touch
paper.
on paper.
Exactly. So paper is smooth. Yeah, here, let's do this. Watch this. So here we can see smooth. You see how this wood is very smooth? This is very smooth, it's very slick, very smooth. If I touch it, it's very, very flat. But rough, nah, it's very different. This is rough,
Like sandpaper.
like, wow, very good. That's a perfect example. Like sandpaper. They rough and smooth. That's the difference. Rough and smooth. Rough and smooth. Very nice. That's very impressive, my friend. All right. Let's do a little bit of reading here, and then we will move on. But before we do that, I want to see if you remember. Here, let me do share screen real quick. I want to see if you remember the parts of a plant. All right. So we imagine we have a plant here.
Oh.
Oh.
I forgot.
That's okay. That's why we review. And that's okay. This is, you're gonna learn this in school anyway. It's really for studying. All right. So let's see. Here's our beautiful flower. And I'm gonna see how much you can remember. So let's see. This part right here, do you remember what that's called? This part is called a stem.
Stem.
And how about, let me try writing that a little bit better here. All right, that's better. How about this part right here? You remember? That's called a petal. Petal.
That's
Yeah. Petal. Mhm. Yeah. And these, do you remember these down here?
oh.
I'll give you a hint. R O O
Roots.
roots. Yeah. These are called roots. All right, and one more. What about this? This right here. What's that?
Can I write down?
Yeah. These are leaves.
Okay.
Got it. All right. So let's go ahead. Erase all that.
No. Oh, okay.
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 All right. Let's see here. Whoops. Yeah, go back up. Uh-huh. All right. We're going to go a little bit deeper into it now. So, if you remember, we talked about the fact that the flowers make seeds, and the stems hold the flower up, the leaves use light to make food, and the roots, they drink up water. They drink up water and minerals. Okay? And so if you go to a place where there's a lot of sun, like the desert, the leaves on plants are very thin and small. But in the jungle, because there are many plants, they have to have big leaves to catch the light. Okay?
Okay.
All right. Some roots are thin. Some roots are very big. Some grow outside, on top of the ground, and some grow in the ground. Hold on 1 second. It looks like we're still waiting for that to come through. Okay, we're good. All right. Come on. All right, so let's take a look at the let's take a look at these pictures right here, and then look at these two pictures below. What do you see that is different between the leaves? What's the difference between the leaves? What are these?
One is very long and thin.
Long and thin, and the other?
Small.
Yeah, very small, and they're kind of round, right? Almost not exactly a perfect circle, but they're kind of round shape, right? Roundish. What about the flowers? You see how these flowers here? What's the difference? What's the difference between the flowers?
Color.
Yeah, the color is right. Exactly right. Yeah, these are light color, very light. These are white and yellow. These are darker, like purple. These are close together, and the other ones are spread out. Close together and spread out. Let me check. Close together and spread out. Very nice. All right. Hold on one second. Here we go. All right, so we're going to talk today mostly about fruits and flowers, okay?
Okay.
Whoa, that's a little too zoomed in. There we go, fruits and flowers. All right, so many plants like tomatoes and cucumbers have fruits and flowers. And some are like beans and some are not. So, all right, let's take a look down here. How do flowers make seeds? Can you do me a favor? And before we start this, we need to look at the section over here. And there's some words I need to teach you. These are a little bit difficult, okay? So bear with me. The first one is stamen. Stamen. Okay? Next one is pollen.
Pollen.
This is pistil.
Pistil.
Sounds like this, like a pistol, right? And next is seed coats.
Seed coats.
Seed coats. All right, so let's take a look at the picture first to understand. Inside the plant, you have a stamen here and the pistil here, okay? And have you ever seen the yellow powder on flowers?
Yes.
In springtime, there's lots of yellow powder everywhere, right? That's called pollen. 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 All right. All right. Can you do me a favor and try to read this section here? Flowers have.
Flowers have special parts so they can make new plants. The stamen of the flower makes pollen, a sticky powder.
Yeah, so that powder, yeah. That stamen is the one that makes all that yellow powder that goes everywhere, that gets in your eyes, and you go, right? Makes your eyes itchy. Okay, go ahead. The pistil.
The pistil takes in the pollen and makes seeds. The seeds can grow into new plants.
Very good. So this is a cantaloupe. A cantaloupe. So we got stamen, piston. All right, can you read this one?
Pollen moves from the stamen to the pistil. Then the flower starts to change. The flower grows bigger and the petals fall off. It grows into a fruit. The fruit protects the seeds inside.
Okay. So the powder goes from here down to here, and this little part becomes a fruit like a melon in this case. And then the petals fall off, and the fruit gets bigger, and then we eat it. Very good.
Animals such as birds and bees can move pollen from a stamen to a pistil. Wind and water can move pollen too. After pollen lands on a pistil, the flower starts to lose its petals. The flower begins to grow into fruit with seeds.
All right. So you see, this is a cantaloupe. Cantaloupe. These seeds are important for the flower and the plant, right? Because when they fall, they start to grow into a new plant. All right, can you read this section here? After the fruit is ripe.
After the fruit is ripe, it falls to the ground.
Good.
The seeds inside the fruit can grow into new plants.
Very good. All right. So think about this. If this fruit is growing in the forest, then maybe many animals like bears or deer will eat it. All right, and the seeds will go into their stomach, and then when they use when they go to the bathroom, the seeds will come out. So the plants can move far, far away because of the animals. All right, how do seeds look? How do seeds look? What do you think? How do seeds look?
Very, very small.
Yeah, usually they're pretty small, right? And yeah, so you know this one here, right? This plant, it's yellow, and then
Yes.
it's yellow, and then it turns white, and the seeds come out, and then you go, and the seeds fly away. Do you know that one?
Oh, yes.
Do you? Yeah. We call that a dandelion. That's a dandelion. All right, go ahead and read this. How do seeds look?
Most plants need seeds to make new plants. Seeds need light, water, and food to grow. Seeds have food inside them to help them grow. There are many different shapes and sizes to all of seeds.
All right, so you see this plant here, that's actually a marigold. It's not a dandelion. A marigold seed is small and thin. These are very, very tiny. Look at that plant. See that? This pod is shaped like a star. It has many seeds. The shapes of the seed pod and the flower are alike. So this is called a star anise. And it's like a little pod that falls and opens up. And the shape is like a star. Okay. Can you read this one?
Seeds have many parts. All seeds have seed coats, which protect the seed. Seed coats also help keep the seeds from drying out. Some seeds also have hard shells.
Yeah. Some seeds have hard shells, like peanuts. See? Peanut seeds. Peanuts are seeds, and they grow underground. Did you know that?
Yes.
I didn't know that. Not until I read this. The shell is hard and light brown. The seed coat of a peanut is thin and dark brown. So that skin is called seed coat. Seed coat. Okay. Go ahead and read from right here.
This part is a tiny plant. It will grow bigger and bigger. This part gives food to the tiny plant so it can grow.
So that part right there is the plant that will become a peanut plant. And this is the food. That's pretty cool, right? But how do foods move? Whoa, look at, we got a buffalo. We got a buffalo with all kind of seeds in his face, on his face. Go ahead. How do seeds move?
If seeds did not move, plants would always grow in the same spot. Animals help move seeds to new places. Many animals eat fruit and later they leave the seeds in the fruit behind. Some animals like squirrels
Mm-hmm.
bury seeds and may not return to get them. Some seeds stick to the fur of animals. The seeds get a ride to a new place.
Ah, very good. So sometimes animals eat the fruit, and they eat the seeds, and then when they go to the bathroom, the seeds come out. Other times, animals like squirrels dig holes and put the seeds in the hole. Then they might forget, and the seed becomes a plant. Do you understand?
Yes.
All right. Now, the last one said some seeds, like these seeds here, get caught in animals' fur. What is another word for fur? What's another word for fur? Here, right here, this word right here, fur.
I don't know.
Another word for fur is hair. Hair. So animals' hair is called fur.
Oh,
Yep. So you see these seeds all get caught up in this buffalo's fur. And
I know.
yeah, this baboon is eating fruit with seeds, and later he'll, use the restroom. All right. This last part is actually really interesting. It says, well, what does it say actually? Oceans and rivers can.
Oceans and rivers can move seeds too. Seeds fall into the water and they end up in new places. Wind can also move seeds. Some seeds are light enough for the wind to carry them far away.
So the wind can carry this maple tree seed to different places. Have you seen this kind of seed before?
No.
No. Okay. This seed is really cool. Do you know what a helicopter is? Helicopter.
Yes.
Yeah, a helicopter, the rotors spin like this and the helicopters go up, right? Well, when this seed falls down, it looks like a helicopter because it goes like this.
Oh,
Have you seen that before?
yes. When I'm science test, I see.
Ah, I see. On your science test. Okay. Very nice. Well, we're almost done this. We're about halfway done this chapter of the book, and I think we'll stop right there for today. With that, excuse me. But before we go on, I want to do one more activity. Okay.
Okay.
So just quick review of time. So I want you to tell me, what time is it? All right. So here's how we're gonna do this. We have one. Let me get my annotation here. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 across and 6 up and down. So where does this one go? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or 6.
See, 320.
Here? So you say
Yes.
number 5, right? Number 5. 1, 2,
Number
3,
5.
4, 5. Yeah, exactly. What time is it? What time is it?
320.
3:20, right. Okay. Let's see. What time is it?
92.
Number 2. Okay, can you tell me can you read it? 6.
6 o'clock.
6 o'clock. Very good. How about this one? What time is it?
6:05.
Which number?
Number 3.
Very good. Now we have a few more difficult ones. What time is it?
Number 1. 11:10.
11 to now it's easy. How about this one here? What time is it?
10 to 9. Number
10
6.
to 9. Yeah. That means 10 minutes. 10 minutes until 9 o'clock, right? 10 to 9. How about, can you read this one here? What does that say?
5:45.
A quarter. A quarter means 15.
15.
Yeah, very good. Yeah, you really know your stuff, huh? Very good. All right, nicely done. Excellent job. You're very good. Try one more. Ready? What time is it?
1,
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or 6.
Number 5.
Can you read that?
5 minutes before 4.
Very good. How about this one here? What time is it?
Number 4. No.
Number
Number 2.
2?
Yes.
Actually, it's number 3.
Oh,
10 after 2. Yeah.
oh.
10
10 after
minutes
2.
after 2 o'clock. Past 2 o'clock.
Oh.
That's all right. No worries. This is what you're learning. How about this one here? 2:01. What is that?
1 after 2.
Yeah, it's 1 after 2. Very good. How about this one?
3. Number 1.
Yeah,
3
5.
minutes past 5.
3 minutes past 5. Yep. All right.
Number 4.
What time is it?
1:12.
Very good. And this last one. Can you read it? What time is it?
9:46.
Very nicely done. Excellent job. Very good job, Elvis. All right, buddy. We're done for today, so we'll see you next week. Enjoy your summer vacation, and I hope you have a good week, buddy.
Okay.
All right, buddy. Take care.
Okay.
Bye.
Bye-bye.